Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to the Mehdi English School. I hope that you are safe and fine at your home. So, myself is Nilofer Miss, and the subject is mathematics. And today's this online session is for the class 2. So, my dear students, as you know that I am showing you always before we start our lecture, I am showing you one quote. So today also we follow that rule that I am showing you one what first, and here is the quote that work hard and be nice. The same quote I am showing you today, that work hard and be nice with everyone. You have to behave nicely with everyone. Don't be anger, don't be rude, and always be nice with everyone. Your behavior must be a nice with everyone. You should respect your elders, your parents, your teachers, and your elder sister or brother. So always work hard and be nice people with everyone. So it is the quote. Now let's start the today's online session, and here is the chapter number 8, exploring multiplication further. This is the chapter number 8, and it's the name of the chapter. Now students, as you know that whenever we start the online session, in every session since the chapter number 7, I am just requesting to you all that please learn and write the tables, because the table is base of the chapters 7 and 8, totally dependent on the tables. So if you want to be a very good in this chapter, so you have to learn and write the tables. Without table you are not able to solve, understand the sums with the help of yourself only. If you want to solve the sums by your own, so you must learn and write the table. That is very important things. So I again and again repeating this to you that please learn and write the tables. That is very helpful to you all. Now let's start the previous topic first. As you know that always we start the previous topic first. So we are revising the previous topic first, and in the previous lecture we had learned this exercise 8C. So today also we are revising the exercise 8C first, then we are going to the next topic. So here question 2, regrouping the tens. Exercise 8C question number 2, regrouping the tens. Now sum number A of it. First of all we have to multiply 2 with the ones value. 2 ones are 2. This way we have to write. First of all, say the table number 2 till the 1, because 1 is at the ones column. 2 ones are 2. Then we have to multiply 2 with the tens value, which is the 6. 2 sixes. 2 sixes is equal to 12. So here we are regrouping the tens, because you can see we are putting the 1 at the hundreds place. It means we are regrouping the tens. The answer will come in the 3 digit. So we can read this product as a 122. This way we can read the product. Now the sum number B. In this we have to speak the table number 3. 3 twos are. 3 twos are 6. Here is the table number 3. We have to speak till the number 2. 3 twos are 6. Here this way we have to write the answer. 3 twos are 6. Then 3 nines are. Now we have to speak the table number 3 till the 9. 3 nines are 27. This way we can write 27. And you can see this, that we are getting answer in the 3 digit. 2 will go at the hundreds column, and we can read this product as a 276. We can read this product as a 276. Now the sum number C. Here we have to speak the table number 2. 2 with the ones value 4. 2 4s are. 2 4s are is equal to 8. If you are remembering the table, if you know the table, you can easily get the product, you can easily get the answer, you can easily solve the sum by yourself. Now we can multiply 2 with the 6. 2 6 or 6 2s are. In both the situation you will get the answer 12 only. 6 2s are 12 and 2 6 is also a 12. So here the product is 12. 2 6 are 12. So we can write down the answer this way, that 128. This way we can write down the product and we can read this as a 128. Now the sum number D. Here is we have to speak the table number 6. First of all, let's multiply 6 with 1. 6 1s are. 6 1s are 6. We can write down this way. 6 1s are 6. Then the 6 7s are. We have to multiply 6 with the 7. We can speak the table 6 till the 7, or else we can speak the table 7 till the 6. 6 7s are or 7 6s are. In both the situation we will get the same answer, which is 42. So here the product is, the answer is 426. We can write down the answer 426. This way we can read also. Now regroup the tens and ones. We have to do together ones and tens. Some sums are of the regrouping of ones and some sums are of regrouping the tens. That are the mixed group exercise, you can call it. So let's do practice of these sums first. Here is the multiplication worksheet is there. Let's practice of this multiplication sums, and you have to write down these sums as the extra sums into your fair book. This is compulsory to write down these sums into the fair book. That is compulsory to you all. Now let's start solving this worksheet first. Here is a 2 4s are. So we have to speak the table number 2 till the 4. 2 4s are or 4 2s are. Both are same. So we can write down this way. 4 2s are 8 and 2 4s are is equal to a 8. Now the next one, 2 8s are or 8 2s are. In both the situation you will get the same answer. 2 8s are or 8 2s are, both are same. 16. So the answer is 168. This way you can write down and you can read this as a 168. Then the sum number 2, 91 multiply by 7. So let's speak the table first. 7 1s are 7, and else you can speak this 1 7s are 7. Here is 7 1s are 7, and else you can speak the 1 7s are 7. In both the way you will get the same answer, 7. Now the next one, 7 9s are is equal to 63, and 9 7s are is also equal to 63. You can see this, 7 9s are 63 and 9 7s are 63. In both the way you will get the same answer, 63. Now the next one, sum number 3, 82 multiply by 3. What is the question? 82 multiply by 3. So here we have to speak the table number 3 till the 2. 3 2s are. 3 2s are 6. Here is 3 2s are 6, and here is 3 8s are or 8 3s are, both are same. 3 8s are is equal to 24 and 8 3s are is also equal to 24. This way we can write down the answer. 82 multiplied by 3, and the product of this sum is 246. This way we can write down the sum. Then the next one, sum number 4. Here is 2 ones are. First of all, we have to speak the table number 2 till the 1. 2 ones are 2, or else 1 twos are 2. Both are same and you will get the same answer. 1 twos are 2 or 2 ones are 2. You will get the same answer. Now the next one, 2 fours are 8, and else you will get the answer. 4 twos are 8. In both the situation, you will get the same answer. 41 multiplied by 2 is equal to, the product is 82. Here is the answer, 82. Now the sum number 5. Let's move to the next. 3 twos is equal to 6, and else 2 threes is also equal to a 6. 2 threes are 6 or 3 twos are 6. Both are same. Now 3 ones are 3, and else 1 threes are 3. Both are same. So 12 threes is equal to 36. 12 threes are 36, and the answer of sum number 5 is 36. Now the sum number 6 is 3 twos. 3 twos is equal to 6, and else 2 threes is also equal to a 6. You can see we are getting the same answer. 3 twos are 6 and 2 threes are 6. Then the next one, 3 six. 3 six is equal to 18, and else 6 threes is also equal to 18. This way we can solve the multiplication sums. Both the practice are mixed, regrouping ones and regrouping tens. Then the next exercise worksheet for you. Here is 2 nines. 2 nines are 18. So we have to put 8 here, and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. 9 twos are 18. This way we can write down 18. Now 2 ones are 2. We have to add 1 into the 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the answer is, the product is 38. 19 multiplied by 2 is equal to 38. I hope you understood this. Now let's move to the next sum. Here we have to speak the table number 4. Now 4 threes or 3 fours. You will get the same answer in both the situation. 3 fours are 12, and 4 threes is also equal to a 12. So we can put 2 under the ones column, and the 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. Here 4 threes are 12, 1 to 12 you can see. Again here is the same situation. 4 threes are 12, and again 3 fours is equal to 12. Now we have to add one number into the 12. So 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So this is our final answer, 132. Here is the final answer. Now the next one, 5 sevens or 7 fives 35. So from the 35, 5 we can write under the ones column this way, and 3 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. You can see 35. Now 5 twos and 2 fives both are same. 5 twos are 10 and 2 fives are 10. So we have to add 3 number into the 10. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So the answer is 135. What will be the answer? We can read this as a 135. Then the next one, 5 fours or 4 fives both equal to 20. 5 fours are 20. So we can put a 0 under the ones column, and 2 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now here is the 6 fives is equal to 30, and 5 6 is also equal to 30. Plus we can add a 2 number into the 30. So 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. So the answer of this sum is a 320. We can read this as a 320. Now here the next sum is 2 5s are 2 5s are 10. So we can put 0 under the ones column and the 1 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 2 6s are 12 and 6 2s are is also equal to a 12. Now we can add this one number into the 12. So 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. This way we can write 130. Here is the answer of this product is 130. Now the next sum 16 multiplied by 7. 7 6 are and 6 7s are. Both are same. 42. We can put 2 under the ones column and 4 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 7 1s are 7 and 1 7s are 7. So we have to add 4 number into the 7. So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So we can write down the answer this way, 112. This way we can complete the answer. Now let's move to the next sum. Here is 5 2s are 10 and 2 5s are is also equal to a 10. So we can put 0 under the ones column and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 5 5s are 5 5s are 25 plus 1 we have to add into the 25. So 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. So the answer is 260. We can read this sum. The product is 260. So this sum is complete now. So let's move to the next one. 9 4s are and 4 9s are. Both are equal to 36. 4 9s are 36 and 9 4s are is also equal to or 36. From this 36, 6 is at the ones column. So we can put under the ones column 6 and 3 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column this way. So here is 4 9s are 36 is completed. Now 7 9s are or 9 7s are. Both are same. 9 7s are 63 plus we have to add 3 into the 63 is equal to 66. 7 9s are 63 and 9 7s are is also equal to a 63. So we can add 3 into the 63. So 63 plus 3 is equal to 66. So we can read this product as a 666. Now the next sum 4 4s are. So 4 4s are is equal to 16. So from the 16, 6 is at the ones place. So we can put a 6 under the ones column and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 4 1s are 4 and 1 4s are 4. So we have to add 1 number into the 4. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So the final product is 56. This way we can write down the answer. Now the next one, 8 1s are 8 and also a 1 8s are 8. You can see this 8 1s are 8 or 1 8s are 8. Both are same. Now 8 9s are and 9 8s are. Both are equal to 72. You can see I am putting the answer. 8 9s are 72 or 9 8s are is equal to 72. So we can read this answer as a 728. Now the next sum 3 8s are 24 and 8 threes is also a 24. So we can put 4 under the ones column and 2 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 3 fours are 12 and 4 threes is also equal to a 12. So we can add a 2 number into the 12. So 12 plus 2 is equal to a 40. So we can read this product as a 144. How we can read 144? This way we can read the answer. Now the next one, 6 fives are 30 and 5 sixes is also equal to a 30. So from the 30, 0 is at the ones place. So we can put a 0 under the ones column and 3 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 6 ones are 6 or 1 6 are 6. So we have to add 3 number into the 6. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So the final product is 9090. 15 6 are 90. This way we can read the product 9090. Now the next one, 7 6 are or 6 sevens are. Both are same 42. So we can put 2 under the ones column and 4 will move as a carry forwarded number this way. Now 6 twos are 12 or 2 6 are 12. So we have to add this carry forwarded number into the 12. So 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. So this way we have to put the answer, and here is the answer. We can read this as a 162. This way we can read it. Now the next one, 4 twos are 8 and 2 fours is also equal to a 8. Now next one, 4 fours is equal to 16. So we have to put this way the answer, and we can read this product as a 168. This way we can read the product. Now the next sum, 3 threes are. 3 threes is equal to 9. This way we can put under the ones column. Now the next one, 3 eights are 24 and 8 threes is also equal to a 24. So this way we can write down the answer 249. So we can read this product this way. Now the next and last sum, here is 1 eights are 8 and also a 8 ones are 8. Now the next one, 1 fours are 4 and 4 ones are 4. So here the answer is 48. The product is 48. Now the next one, exercise 8D. Let's write the exercise 8D and question number 1 of the exercise 8D, that regroup tens and ones. What is the heading of this? First of all, we are going to solve the question 1 of the exercise 8D. And the students, this is your textbook exercise. So if you have textbook, so please fill the sums, fill the answers into your textbook first and then write down into the fair book and rough book. So write down in fair book this sums exercise 8D question number 1. You have to write down into the fair book, and if you having textbook, just fill in the textbook. Now the sum number A here, 3 sevens are. First of all, 3 sevens are or 7 threes are. Both are equal to 21. So from the 21, 1 will come at the ones column and 2 will move as a carry forwarded number this way. 7 threes are 21. So this way we can put now the tens value 3 nines are 27 and 9 threes are is also equal to a 27. So we have to add two number into the 27. So 27 plus 2 is equal to 29. So here is our final product 291. This way we can solve the sum number A, and here is the product 291. Now the sum number B, 73 multiplied by 5. So 5 threes are is equal to 15 and 3 fives are is also equal to a 15. So from the 15 we can write 5 under the ones column, and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number this way. So we can write this way. Now 5 sevens are 35 and 7 fives are is equal to 35. So in the 35 we have to add one number. So 35 plus 1 is equal to 36. This way we can write down 36. 3 will go as a hundreds column. So we can read this product as a 365. This way we can read 365. Now the sum number C of this exercise 8D, question number 1. Now here is 6 twos are 12 and 2 sixes is also equal to a 12. So from the 12 we can put 2 under the ones column, and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. 6 twos are 12 and 2 sixes are 12. This way we can write now 6 eights are 48 and 8 sixes are is equal to a 48. We have to add 1 into the 48 is equal to 49. So the product of the sum number C is 492. We can read this as a 492. Now the sum number D is 4 fours. 4 fours is equal to a 16. So from the 16 we can put 6 under the ones column, and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number this way. Now 8 fours are 32 and 4 eights are is also equal to a 32. So we have to add 1 into the 32. So 32 plus 1 is equal to 33. So this way we can write down the answer 336. Now the sum number E. Here is the sum number E. 5 twos are is equal to 10 and 2 fives are is also equal to a 10. So we can put a 0 under the ones column, and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 1 is equal to 41. This way we can put the answer 410. Sum number F. Again 2 fives are 10. So we can put 0 under the ones column, and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 2 nines are 18 and 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. So the answer of the sum number F is 190. This way we can write down. Now the sum number G. 8 sixes are 48 and 6 eights are is also equal to a 48. So we can put 8 under the ones column, and 4 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 8 threes are 24 and 3 eights are 24. So 24 plus 4 is equal to 28. This way we can put the answer 288. Now the sum number H. 6 nines are and 9 sixes are both are equal to 54. This way we can put the 54. Now 6 twos are 12 and 2 sixes are is also equal to a 12. So 12 plus 5 is equal to a 17. So the answer of the sum number H is 174. Students, write down the sums into the fair book, textbook and rough book. We'll meet in the next lecture. So stay home, stay safe. Bye bye students.